Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video with Wonderful Boys, and today we're actually in Taipei, Taiwan. And the hotel we're checking today is
Hotel Proverbs, Taipei, a member of Design Hotel.
Yep. So this hotel is located on the east part of the Taipei. So this hotel is about 1 hour and 15 minutes away from the airport. So we took a private transfer. So we booked via online platform lah. So around here there's a lot of food options. Very convenient. There's convenience store like 7-Eleven and Family Mart as well. So food and options and some shopping is not a problem. Getting around here, you can actually book book Uber, or even taking the train is actually quite convenient as well. Yeah. It's about 200 meters away. That station is actually called Zhongxiao Fuxing Station. Yes. It's very convenient. And the room category we got today
is the deluxe room. This room measures about 38 square meters in floor size. It's fairly big. The rooms are also very stylishly designed, which is why we actually selected this hotel because it looks really good. The layout is very unique. We will share with you why it is unique in a bit later. We're also going to share with you the breakfast and also the facilities that this hotel offers. You can see that this is the swimming pool. This is a rooftop pool. It's not very big, but we'll show you more about it later. We're also going to show you a little bit about the happy hour for elite members. But also one thing is that for the breakfast, it is not included as a benefit for the platinum, elite or higher. So you have to pay for the breakfast.
If you're new here and already subscribed, don't wait further. Just scroll down a little bit for us.
That's below.
Click the subscribe button. Yeah, good job. Okay, so without further ado, shall we check out the room?
Yeah,
let's go. Hi, welcome to the room. So this is the deluxe room, 38 square meters, and this is the entrance of the room. Yep, you didn't see wrongly. This is the toilet and the entrance of the room as well. So right behind me, this is the door. Over here, let me just show it to you so you can believe me, okay? Yep, so this is the entrance to the room. Weirdly enough, yes, it's a toilet as well. Okay, so once you come in here, they have the switches here for the lights, but this is actually controlling the one in the living room. So over here you can put the card key, and right here is where the big mirror for you to check yourself before you go out. And on the opposite side is where the vanity area is. It's a single vanity, single basin. So very thoughtfully they actually have this complimentary travel pack. So basically everything inside is those amenities lah, shaver, toothbrush and all that. And actually the bag you can actually just bring home, the whole bag, whole set. Yep. And you can find the hairdryer below, towels, some towels below, and there's this bag that comes with a hairdryer. They will actually tell you, say that please return this bag after use. So basically this one you cannot bring home. Okay? This one can, that one cannot bring home. Alright, so moving forward, over here is a wet area, semi-wet area, because over here is a standing shower. And the thing about this is that it comes with the dial, right, the knob. So it might be a bit difficult to control the temperature. So we'll see how it goes. And right beside it is where the WC area is. So over here is a auto bidet, heated seat as well. Fantastic. And right opposite is the bathtub. So yeah, it's just a bit weird lah, the whole thing. But it's still nice lah. Weirdly nice, I would say. So yeah, the temperature controller is all over here, the dial. And moving forward from this wet area is the living room. So right here where you can put your luggage here, there's a luggage rack behind and your coat hanger here as well. Over here is a mini bar, pantry area. So everything is complimentary except for alcoholic drinks. Okay, so over here they will actually tell you charged. So don't take things that you don't intend to pay for. The rest are actually all complimentary. They have a Haribo, Gummy, they have a Eclipse, chips, and right below here is a fridge, mini fridge for the drinks. Okay, so these are non-alcoholic, so they are actually complimentary, and they actually do top up daily. Yep. And right beside here is the cups, glasses, kettle below, and the coffee machine right here. Okay, so the safe is here as well. So there's also some storage space on top and below, and the bathrobe and hangers here. just right beside this where the lounge area is, the living room just mentioned. So you can just chill here. It's just that I find that it's a bit weird because the table angle is a bit wrong lah. But you can adjust it yourself, no problem. So sofa seat here and also the leather seat. If you need to do some work, probably this one will be more appropriate lah. Okay, PowerPoint wise here, not really, you don't really have much PowerPoint here, except for behind. So you need to stretch it all the way back, and you need international plug, the adapter, because over here they use two flat pins, sorry. And opposite is where you find the flat screen TV. There's two in the room, so this is one of it for the living room. And there's two switches here, control the bathroom. So behind me is a living separation from the living room, which is the bedroom area. This is a king size bed, and on both sides of the bed has got some bedside table, and there's also PowerPoint, but once again it uses 2-pin plug. Okay, and on both sides there's some control for the lights. So that side has got more control, this one only got one controller, but basically you just need to switch off everything with one switch, that's it. Okay, beautiful chandelier. But sometimes at night, right, when we turn off the light, it can be a bit complicated because certain switch turn on certain things, certain switch turn off certain things. Okay, and over here is a big screen TV with the Yamaha soundbar. And this room comes with a balcony as well. So right behind me is a balcony. It's not very clean, but it's not like a place where you would go out often as well because there is no seat. So over here, you can just come out to chill. I'm not sure whether we can smoke out here because it's supposedly a non-smoking room. Yeah, but if you really want to, I guess you just do it secretly lah. Yeah, so there's really much view. It's just really a bit of the trees here and also some shops. Yeah. Okay, so that's about it for the room tour. And once again, this is the deluxe room, 38 square meters. And when we have time, we'll actually show you the swimming pool, the facilities, and also the breakfast tomorrow morning. Yeah, that's it.
This hotel has a rooftop deck with a small swimming pool. There is a nice sitting area for guests to lounge at. The property has a bar which has a nice ambience. Marriott Bonvoy Elite members can enjoy complimentary drinks in the evening here.
Okay, good morning. So we're now having breakfast, and this is the breakfast service here at Hotel Proverbs Taipei. So this breakfast is not included for Marriott Bonvoy members, so you would have to purchase them. It is approximately $600, and after taxes, about Singapore dollars 25 Sing. So it's not a buffet spread. This is a set menu. There's a set menu of 4 different choices. So the first one is an American breakfast set. Second one is the fried salmon, pan-fried salmon with cream sauce, as well as comes with scrambled eggs. There's also the shrimp porridge, and the fourth option is the French toast with maple syrup on top. And it comes with sides like in this case, it comes with a salad as well as a bread, mini croissant, and a sourdough bread with a choice of drink, either orange juice or coffee and tea. For coffee, they only have Americano, and for tea, it's just black tea, which it smells like breakfast tea. Okay, so that's basically it. And this is the set A. If you can see here, the American breakfast set comes with the scrambled eggs with German sausage. I think that's pork, bacon and potatoes, as well as mushrooms. On the other hand, this one here is the pan-fried salmon. It comes also with scrambled eggs, and on the sides there are potatoes. The portion does look a little bit small. And then this is the salad for the starters, and the bread, which is over here. So that's basically it for the breakfast. It's a really short part because there's not much things here. So yeah, we're going to enjoy it, and then we're probably going to see you later when we summarize this entire video. Okay, so it's time for us to check out here from our stay at Hotel Proverbs Taipei. So let's give a quick summary about this stay. So first of all, let's talk a bit about the location. How do you find it?
I think the location is okay, maybe like a 6 out of 10 kind of situation. So because there's a lot of food options around here, local food store shops, and also some shopping if you need, Watson, fast food nearby also. It's just not big shopping malls, not really those popular shopping area. If you need to travel around, there's actually train station just maybe a few hundred meters away, pretty convenient. And if not, you can just Uber. Uber is quite affordable.
Yeah, so check-in process was smooth because this is a very small property, and we got upgraded to this deluxe room. So like we mentioned a bit earlier, the deluxe room's layout is a little bit unique. How do you find it?
Yeah, pretty unique because it's, you have to go through the toilet to get to the room because the door is at the toilet. Yeah, which I find a bit weird lah. Like if you order ice or whatever, but you're showering halfway, you have to get out to wear a bathrobe and open the door. It's just a bit weird.
Or if you order room service or with food in, right, you have to bring it through the toilet.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
Yeah.
And also like the toilet is a wet area, so our shoes will be there, and if we need to walk around, it's just a bit weird.
Yeah.
And also the toilet shower area, they come to the knob for the shower. Initially I thought it's going to be difficult to adjust the temperature, but apparently it's actually quite easy to adjust the temperature.
Yeah, but apart from that, this room is very stylishly designed, very clean. I think I like the design very much. And yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Also good size as well. Okay, so let's move on, talk a little bit about the facilities. There's no fitness center here. There is a very, very small rooftop pool, right?
Really small.
Yeah. So there's not much to do, and I would say that maybe if you just want to get a dip, like if the weather's very hot, you want to get a dip into the pool, I guess that's the only purpose there.
We've been to the pool a couple of times, but maybe because it was drizzling, there really isn't not a single soul inside.
Yeah. So and then let's move on and talk a little bit about the breakfast. So this is a design hotel, so breakfast not included as Marriott Bonvoy elite guest. So we had to purchase our breakfast, and how do you find it?
I think a breakfast is so-so. You can skip it lah. The taste is okay. The scrambled egg is meh to me. Yeah,
So
I can skip
600 Taiwan dollars for a, I would say it's 3 course. It was just literally a main dish, choose out of 4, and 1 out of 4, and then after they give you like a mini croissant and a slice of sourdough bread with some salad
and a drink.
And a drink, either Americano, a tea, or an orange juice. Yeah, so it's quite, it's about $25.
You can get better stuff out
25 Singapore dollars.
nearby.
Yeah. So fortunately, they do have a happy hour for elite members. So basically, you get invited to the bar between the hours of 5 to 7 p.m. and then you can choose a drink of your choice. There's alcoholic beverage and also non-alcoholic beverages. So
One drink per person.
Yeah, but it's a nice touch, because they don't really participate in this in the Marriott Bonvoy program. So yeah, any other comments that you have?
I think the service-wise is also okay. Not like bad, not like super good. They do help you open the door when you are coming in and out, especially when it's wet weather. They do see people coming in and out with wet umbrella. They actually help you with it. Yeah. So and they provide umbrella as well.
No, I thought the service was actually very good. Like they have turn down service.
Yeah, turn down service.
And they've replaced all the towels, all the used towels that you've used, and also they provide mineral water and
Evian.
Yeah, Evian water, and also they replenish some of the sweets that we consume. So I thought the service is quite good in that aspect. Housekeeping services is actually very good. Yeah. So I think that's all that we have for you in today's video. If you do enjoy this video, do give us a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to us. We have more of these videos over there on your right hand side. So do check them out. And if not, we will see you in the next video.
Bye bye.